Hola, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's song and Paso, it belongs to you. This is that show, Know Them Better, where we bring you the stars of Giyani Land of Blood, where they speak their truth, honesty. You see, you ask the questions. I ask them the questions. And then they reply to you with honesty as much as possible. There's no lies here. You will answer these questions very honestly. And whoo, that honesty was too hot for me. I couldn't handle it. But you loved it.
Yes.
Of blood. So, sir, how are you?
I'm good in you, sir.
Good. How's been the experience of Giyani of blood to this point?
Amazing. Look, this is my first show ever on national television, and the experience was out of this world. Having the likes of you,
Stop it.
but let me just be honest.
Go on.
I mean, your Obed of this world, your Charles Baloyi, your Mom Yvonne, everyone. Like, you make the place feels like it's at home.
Okay, we thank you for that. This is not about me, guys. He's trying to. I'll take it. But anyway, it's not about me. It's about what you guys asked him. There are questions that need to be answered here. There are questions that need to be answered. As I said, my name is Fumani N Shilubana, and this is what Know Them Better Season 1. Subscribe, guys. Please subscribe and like our videos so you can get more such contents. Now, let's get into the business.
Okay.
Kuna excellent excellent saying. Are you the same person who once released a song? If yes, what's happening to your music life?
Excellent. Thank you very much. Excellent. I'm still the very same person. I have never changed. My singing career is still going on. I have an album that I'm busy doing now.
Oh, the album, please.
Yes, I'm busy with the album. No, it started a long time ago, but I'm going to finish it now, and then it will be. And I don't want to tell now when, but it's going to come out before the end of this year.
So you have an album that you've been working on?
Yes, I'm working on an album now.
So you sing as well?
Exactly. I sing.
Why do you hide it from me?
I'm not hiding anything. I started singing the same year I started. A year before I started acting, I started singing.
Is it?
Yes.
Where were you?
At church.
Oh, I see.
At church.
I see. Okay.
Yes.
You see, God denied me 3 things. 2 things: dancing and singing.
Yeah, I'll do it for you. Don't worry.
He's the same person. Was he not doing theatre job in Giyani College at some point around 2011 or so?
No.
Please clarify. How the theatre?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been doing theatre since 1999.
Wow.
At Risinga High School. I started at RTG. It was Risinga High School under the leadership of Dan Suroba. He was my director, and he's the one who made me who I am. So we started a long time ago.
Man, Dan
Suroba.
Okay.
And then Giyani College, it was our rehearsal venue.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So we'd go there.
So this place, what were you guys doing with it? I mean, if you're doing theatre at Giyani in 1999, dude, I was doing my first year in varsity at the time. I had not even started. So basically, what it means, you started drama before I did.
Yeah, no. The thing is, I was exposed to the like it was a theatre group within the school, environment.
So I'm
at Risinga High School. Not necessarily around. We used to go for the competitions where we go to. We participated around the district, like the what do you call this? The municipality, the district, the province, and ultimately we go to the national competitions. At the school level.
Okay.
And I had an opportunity to represent my school in when was it? Was it 2000 or 2000 in the Eastern Cape, Port Elizabeth.
So, in a nutshell, guys, this man has been doing drama before I even began doing drama.
Yeah.
1999, I was doing BSc in agriculture in Univen. So clearly,
I was waiting for my time. No, God's time is always the best.
Guys, that's key, guys. Wait for it.
Exactly.
Don't rush. There's no competition in this world to think, they're ahead of me. No one's ahead of you.
Yes.
It's your time.
Yeah.
Shane Sibusiso. I love you, Karata Bujoni.
Okay. Thank you, Shane. Thank you very much.
So, how did you get into acting and why? I think we kind of answered that. I would like to meet you one day, and I'd like to meet you one day. Every time you are acting, I feel like they can show you more and more of your part with Mom D.
Oh wow, we appreciate that, man. Yeah, no, you'll see me one day.
Shane, Mom D, what's happening here?
Man, come on, the diamond. I will kill someone.
Don't make a mistake. And he even has love. You know this love emojis.
Wabona, Shane.
Shane. Who are these things? These smiley with his eyes, hearts. Are they supposed to be him or Mamjo? Anyway, Kuna asked a diamond table. Okay. As if he knew when he released a song called Giyani.
Oh my God! Last year we recorded an outdoor album in Giyani. In Giyani, you know what? Like I was singing the title track of you understand? Called Giyani. Say Inkar Wakona.
What was happening? Come.
No, I remember the song was written by Chris Mabangwe, and he gave it to me. I didn't understand. But when they called me back, you're going to be Johnny on Giyani Land of Blood, and I said, wow.
Wait. We did the auditions. Like May, April, somewhere.
Yeah.
So when the song you guys when
No, we recorded the song. It was last year.
Yeah, but the auditions when we came to Giyani guys to audition you guys April, May somewhere. But when did you guys release the song? When did you guys?
We released
the song. When did you guys?
No, the song was released late last year. I think it was November when it was released.
Oh, but it was even before Giyani went.
Yes, it was before Giyani went.
Okay, visionary.
So, yeah, visionary. You know the song is Giyani Sengare Wakona, Giyani. Ah man, come on.
I just called to give If I could ask, when can we expect another release from you on the music side? Oh no, I think he's answered that.
Yes, I've answered that.
It's coming.
It's coming. We're working.
Hush.
Yes,
Hey, when do you know
Mandi, she's an award-winning. Come on, she just won an award just 2 months ago. Yeah.
So it's one release, okay. Kuna Rauri Rachikom. Rauri, how old were you when you started acting, and what motivated you towards choosing this career? Actually, career. Okay. How old were you, and what motivated you?
Okay, let me
career. I'm coming. There's something.
I said I started in 1999. Allow me to stop there. But what motivated me is like I remember that when when you are in class, sometimes there are those periods when teachers are not coming, and you like doing nothing there. So now with one of these days I went on stage, I started performing. And these other girls came to me, but no man, there's potential in you, and we have a theater group here. Okay. And they saying, can you please come and join us? And I said, no man, I never thought it was that thing. You understand? So, but they kept on pushing me. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yes. So these guys, they will always come to me, but no man, please let's go. They are looking for someone. And when I arrived there, first thing first, main character.
Is it? So
the director looked at me and said, no, just do this and this and this. And after doing that, he said, no, this is the part. And it was a main character. It was a main character.
So it was almost kind of destined.
Heaven.
Okay. So Fato vicious.
Okay.
What I love your character with Mandi. So that combination. The
combo.
Anyway, what I love your character with Mandi.
Okay.
How do you feel working with her?
Wow.
As your wife. And how old are you?
Now, let me not talk about the age now.
Please! Guys, no. This is the show where we are. This is the show where honesty and every question that is asked needs to be answered. You ask the question, your question will be answered, my baby. Don't worry, your question will be answered. How old are you? We are honest here.
Oh, bro, come on.
answer the question here.
Okay, no, yeah. Let me do it like this. Okay, I love working with my Kendi because like the mood is always like we jolly mood, always laughing. You know, even if man, working together, there are times where you would like, come on, man, this is not how we should do it. We should do it like this. This is how we should do it. But then, at the end of the day, we laugh together.
You guys push each other.
Exactly. We understand each other.
Good.
I now know her better.
Okay, good.
I now know her better. You know, I know how when she's like this, when the mood is like this is how I need to treat her. And
so they also want to know better. How old are you?
Okay, guys, I'm 30 something.
Yeah, guys. What is the mandate also? It's more than better. 30 something is not better.
Okay, fine, cool. If you insist. I'm 36.
Thank you.
Yes.
But as a singer, how do you feel about your character in the drama? And do you drink alcohol?
No, I don't drink alcohol. But on the show, there's no alcohol that we drink there.
Actually, we don't drink.
You never drink at work. Hey, you're not allowed to drink at work. Nobody is allowed to drink at work. Whether you're a policeman, a traffic cop, whatever, you're not allowed to drink at work. So I don't drink at work. So whatever you see there.
So, how do you feel about your character in the drama?
I feel great. It's one of those characters, calm, down to earth characters, yet cheeky.
I'll ask in the bigger picture, in the bigger scheme of things. Like, this is our first drama as Matsonga to this magnitude. We even have a character in the story that's taken seriously.
Yes.
In that format, we are doing that. We've not been in such a scenario. What do you think is that? So do I take a question. But how do you think that is in the bigger picture?
Look, people look down on us for a very long time. And I think this is the time where people need, like, Mafana was born now, but Tonga, Balobedu, like the minority groups, they are there. We exist in South Africa, and bringing our stories like that. Not I'm so excited about it.
No, because it's funny because I like the fact that you're mentioning it. And we're not saying we're forcing anyone for any recognition. It's not a force. It's supposed to be there. I mean, look at it. There's a gentleman the other day, he said something very interesting. You find a Swati from Eswatini,
yes,
comes here in South Africa, he's allowed to be here. It's fine. A person from Lesotho is coming to South Africa, it's allowed to be here. A person from Botswana, it's allowed to be here. But it's only a person from Mozambique is a problem. What's up? Anyway, it's hard. With a gentleman here that he's running away from us. Costa. Anyway, Bianca Dove. He said, so Costa saying it's heartbreaking, and I agree with him because it doesn't
exactly.
Make sense. Anyway, Bianca Dove, where did you grow up, and how was life growing up?
I grew up. I was born Katom in Tankori, in a village called Tomo. And then 1994 I moved to Giyani, section F. But in 1996 I went to Muninginis, block 3. I stayed there for a year and then came back to Giyani. So I grew up Katomu. I also, like most of my life, I spent it in Giyani.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's where I've been. But I'm very proud. Elano Makona, Katomu. Like, I love you all, guys.
There we go. Kuna nkateko forget Chauke.
Okay.
Any advice you can give someone who wants to be on TV just like you?
Okay. What I would say, you must never give up. And Nalogo, if it's not coming, just wait for it. Your time is coming. I waited for 20 years. You might wait for 21. You might wait for 15. You might wait for 10. You might wait for 5.
For 1. You might go to your first auditions and clap. You know a wise man. Wise man came out of school.
Exactly.
Auditioned. He's got a major role in a.
You see,
life changed. I would say like that. Of course, he went to school for all those things. Mara, don't give up, guys.
Exactly.
Even the compliment. Okay, but man, please. First and foremost, I'd like to give a thumbs up to Good Johnny for keeping up with Monday. Imendi, thumbs up for that. Okay, Olivia Ubisi. Now, this is a special dedication. I'm sorry that your questions were not picked up from the previous episodes. Just that early, of course, you see them, we will ask them right now? Yes, some of the questions because I'm sure you
were
gonna get the answers.
Yeah.
Some people have asked, but we'll ask you questions now. Uri, you are the humblest guy ever. I really like the way you conduct yourself in the drama.
Okay.
So you all very long. If you are you married now?
Yes, I'm married to Tongisa Hlungwane.
So how does it feel to act in Xitsonga on TV?
Great. You know, speaking your own language, it's one of the best things ever.
I can relate to that. Yeah. So, how can you relate to your character in Giyani Land of Blood to your life in reality?
The two guys are different, but not very different because I am humble, and the character is humble as well. I am down to earth. I am down to earth, and the character is so as well. But you know what the problem is. The character with the way we live with Msengan, man. Obed. Yeah, yes, with Obed. I don't relate to that. That's not who I am as Temba, but that's Johnny. You know. So, but I love the way they are so that they have a love and hate relationship, but they still love each other. They are friends, like true friends.
If I how can you relate or give an advice to someone who's not in the industry?
You need to work hard on what you're doing. Like one day, obviously, the results will show up. Yeah, you know, I had Michael Jackson it's practice, and practice.
It's that.
So if you practice whatever that you're doing, obviously, one day it's gonna show up.
Kuna Musa in Malebele.
Yeah, Malebele.
Malebele. Kuna Giyani Land of Blood. We
yeah, irosungula neba TV kumbe ka series. Ringava rosungula kuva ni appeara ka TV, but I was doing music. Loko ndze ni appeara. But for the TV series, it's for the first time. And it must not end again. It must continue. Like do other shows and explore. You know, learn new things, work with other people, get new information.
Noel Baloyi, one gospel. I think I saw someone like Mr. Fumani.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, look, I've done projects with Pastor Rudolph Mabasa, two of his projects. I've done projects with Power, one. I've done projects with the Restoration of Praise, that one I was a conductor. Yes. And then I've done projects with KTC Praise. Unfortunately, the album was not released. And then and I've done a lot of projects. I've been backing artists. Yeah.
Lucas here.
Yes, I've got 2 kids. First one a boy, and then the last one is a girl.
Even with some
Balwanda Nasomis.
Bye shout out. Even with some as a neighbor in Giyani section EF, I'd like to say congratulations to Putemba.
Amen.
From Giyani Land of Blood, where are you heading to? Are you continuing with acting, or you continue your job as you do currently? What is your job, by the way, that you do currently?
I'm a police official.
Okay, answer the question then. Just to give context.
Okay. I'm still a police official, and I believe I'll still continue being a police official. But at the other hand, I'm also pushing the artistic industry. So I'm gonna push both of them and see how it goes. You know, time will tell. You understand?
Time will tell.
Time will tell.
So, okay, surprise sometimes here, Uri. That we are doing a great work on Giyani Land of Blood. He loves you. God bless us. But some of his questions they were answered. So, the one that I'll ask you about, Uri, do you have any favorite stage play outside Giyani Land of Blood?
Stage play, as in like.
Besides Giyani Land of Blood,
stage play.
What's your favorite stage show?
Are you talking about stage or you talking about? Yeah, I've done Lion of Gaza in 2009, 2010.
What do you like doing in your spare time?
I play football.
Shush. That's not a cup.
I play football. Even at work, I play football.
Is it?
Yes.
So, police people now, imana of blood audition Giyani Land of Blood. Nako Okay, he answered it.
Okay.
But it auditions.
We're busy, man. Nabu Zakele Mapondo doing another project at Giyani. Yeah, you know him.
Mapondo, of course,
yes. We're busy doing another project at
Giyani.
Scaling. So we like Nabu Cindy. There's this other boy who appeared on his Timbi, so, and then this boy told me, "No man, kuna auditions, kure anit boni on Facebook." So, and I was reluctant, you know.
Oh, reluctant.
But then on the day, I woke up in the morning and let me just go. And I woke, I think I was one of the first people who arrived there. 20 people just there. And I realized, no. Yeah, no, but I mean, I was one of the people, Lavabari, on the forefront.
What time did you get there, bro?
Was it on 7 or something?
Yeah, it has to be.
Yeah, on 7 I think I was there. Yeah, and we auditioned together with Cindy, like the one who told me about these auditions. Yeah, and yeah, but yeah.
I don't remember it from the audition. I will not lie to you. All we did, we auditioned, we took the tapes, those we liked.
Yeah, but I remember what these guys did. Hey, I remember this.
What did you do? Because I don't remember. All I was doing was auditioning people.
Now, apparently, we were all, me and that guy were good because we kind of like do the same thing and we were from the same pot.
No, but what we did.
Yes, so you guys, like, when we arrived there, we started doing it. And he said, whoa, whoa, whoa. He said, whoa. And then you took the other one to the side and then the other one, like, there, alone. And then, yeah, and you was like okay.
The thing is, we knew what we wanted.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't know what you guys wanted.
No, but we knew what we wanted.
Yeah, I didn't know what you guys wanted.
One of the biggest things that we knew is that, for example, and this mean no offense actually. Because as we never had a reference of drama for many in our lives. So
exactly.
Half the time when we were auditioning, I got nice to you, they were not conversational.
Exactly.
They would mimic the whole radio drama tone. And that, honestly, that's what disappointed a lot of people.
Yeah.
Not in a bad way. The issue was we never had any reference, and that's why we fell for that trap. But with Giyani, things will be a bit different.
Yeah.
Barakumbala Imbelembo. Barakumbala Iman. Kalva. I hope I pronounce it right and I will throw it. Kalva Lucas Uri. Yeah, I'm going to all of you are coming to the end, like to Impel Yapula. I'm going to shoot you about. That's the way. I was singing Spanish, man.
No, but I want to do a different song, I think. Okay. All right, let me do this one.
About one key, one verse.
Okay. When I see yes, so Shika hensha kamina landa vira.
Okay, wait. No, I'm jealous. Man, I'm just looking jealous. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching this episode. Y'all know the bed was brought to you by Nile Tishitonga and Meth Institute. Thank you for supporting our YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thanks for liking the videos and commenting and everything that you are doing. I would like to give shout out to my two people. Now, wow, working in the background to make sure that this show happens. Noel Baloyi, now Lavani Shikwambana, our DOP. Thank you, guys. Thank you. See you next time.
Yes. Also follow me on Instagram, Tembaloa, and on Twitter, Temba Zinjiva. On Facebook, Temba Songwan. Okay.
I love that advertising.
Sorry.